Hi and welcome back to Feral Manor. It's good to be back with you again. As some of you will know already, Steve and I have been travelling in Europe for the past 4 weeks. I was really excited. I was invited to teach for the first time at the International Urban Sketchers Symposium in Poland. We took the opportunity while we were in Europe to visit a few other places. So over the coming weeks, you'll be able to catch up on some videos we made in Prague and in London. And of course, I will be doing a roundup on how the gardens fared while we've been away. Spring has already started in Canberra. The garden, thanks to our support crew, has really done well, and I'll give you a rundown on that shortly. So if you haven't seen it already, we've already got one video up on our visit to the Botanic Gardens in the Polish city of Wroclaw, and there's always stacks of stuff to see on the playlist. So I'll look forward to catching up with you probably sometime next week when I've fully recovered from my trip. See you later. Bye.